Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, students. Welcome to the second period of our e-learning mathematics class for 6th week. As I told you in the first period we had this week, the topic under discussion was variation. And we shall continue with that topic this week, variation. In the previous class, we were able to look at direct variation. Today, we want to look at inverse variation. Remember, I told you we have 4 types of variation: direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. We treated direct variation in the last class. Today, we want to look at inverse variation. Inverse variation is the relationship of two variables. Shows that a variable increases in its value as the other variable decreases, and vice versa. That is, the two variables are inversely proportional to each other. In other words, it is defined as the mathematical expression that shows the relationship between two variables whose product is a constant. For example, if y varies inversely as x, then it can be mathematically written as y varies inversely as x. Look at the expression y varies as 1 over x. 1 over x there shows that it is inverse variation. Now, when the variation sign is changed to is equal to, then we have a constant of proportionality k. So y is equal to k over x. Then making k the subject of the formula here, we have k is equal to yx. That is, k is the product of y and x. The product of the two variables is a constant. Let us look at examples. Example 3. If y varies inversely with x, and when y is equal to 100, x is equal to 25, what is the value of y when x is equal to 10? This question tells us that y varies inversely with x. Let us put that down mathematically. Y varies inversely as x. That is, y varies as 1 over x. Then let's change variation sign to equal to. Then we have y is equal to k over s, where k is the constant of the proportionality. Making k the subject of the formula, we have k is equal to yx. Now let's go back to our question. From the question, we were told that when y is equal to 100, x is equal to 25. Let's substitute those two values in our expression for k. K is equal to yx. So when y is equal to 100, x is equal to 25. Meaning that k is equal to 100 times 25 to give us 2,500. So therefore, let's go back to our expression for y, which is equal to k over x. Then substituting for k, we have y is equal to 100 over x. 100 over x. That is the expression for y now. This is going to be the formula connecting y and x. Y is equal to 100 over x, which is going to be the formula of the relationship between y and x. Now, let's go and answer the question now. We were to find the value of y when x is equal to 10. Substituting for x and k, we know x is 10 and k is equal to 2500. So y is equal to k over x to give us y is equal to 2500 over 10. When this is solved, we have y is equal to 250. Therefore, it means that y will be 250 when x is equal to 10, if we go by the relationship between them. Let's look at another example. Example 4. The time taken to reach the church is inversely proportional to the driving speed. If when traveling at the speed of 30 miles per hour, it takes you 2 hours to reach the church, how long will it take to reach the church at the speed of 60 miles per hour? Here, let the time be represented with letter T and the speed be represented with letter S. Then, the time is inversely proportional to the speed, means that T varies inversely as S, that is, T varies as 1 over S. Then, changing the variation sign to is equal to sign, then we have T is equal to K over X. Then, it takes 2 hours at a speed of 30 miles per hour. It means that when T is equal to 2, S is equal to 30. Substituting for T and S, we have 2 is equal to K over 30. I'm making K the subject of the formula here. We have K is equal to 2 times 30 to give us 60. Then, to get the law connecting T and S, or the relationship between T and S, or the formula connecting T and S, we substitute for K, and that will give us T is equal to 60 over S, which is the law connecting T and S. Now, let's go and answer the questions that has us to find the time it will take when the speed is 60 miles per hour. So it means when S is 60, what will be the value of T? Remember, K is 60. Then substituting for S and K in the equation, T is equal to K over S. So T is equal to 60 over 60 to give us 1. And remember, the time is measured in hours, so T is going to be 1 hour. This shows that it will take 1 hour when traveling at a speed of 60 miles per hour to reach the church. So this is where we are ending the second period for 6th week. Remember, we still have a period to go for this week. And until then, when I will come your way again, go over your notes and understand what we've done so far. Out of the 4 types of variation, we've considered 2, direct variation and inverse variation. Read your note and understand the 2. Inshallah, bi Qudratillah, in the last period we are going to have for this week, we will run through joint variation and partial variation. Until then, once again, my name is Oladimeji T, the mathematics teacher of CTY Model College, Ibadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.